Hey there everybody! Today I'm excited to share the December 2019 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio with you. Let's check out the kit first and foremost. These kits are always full of awesome journaling cards, pocket cards, die cuts, so many great coordinating products to, oh no, kind of messed that one up. So many coordinating products to record your memories. And first I want to show you the cards, which we call tags at Elle Studio. We have 4x6 and 3x4. I know I have a lot of new subscribers watching, so I want to be able to show you all of the goodies here. There are 3 4x6 tags in this month's kit. There's a really cute candy cane stripe, this Favorites of 2019, which I love, and this filler card, A Season Full of Wonder and Joy. Let's take a look at the 3x4s. Okay. So there's an awesome mix of tags in here. This one says "'Tis the Season," around here right now. I love this one, before and after. Really pretty font there. Filed under "Remember This." Great place to put an extra photo. Hello Winter. Taking It Easy. Does anybody take it easy in the month of December? I don't know. AM, PM. This teal one on the blank day of Christmas. You can use your number stamps there. You can just write it in to add that. This really cool color scheme here. This kind of sets the tone for the entire kit this month. I love these dots, and I also love this pattern, so you'll see that again. Put this die cut over here, a teal journaling spot. It's blank is always a good idea. Insert your own phrase there. I love this one. Hooray, and making a list. So those are the 3x4 tags this month. Let's take a look at the die cuts next. Oh, I forgot one tag. Oh, 2 tags. I forgot 2. So much fun. And this cute little Christmas tree. Don't forget about those. Okay. These are the die cuts this month. Pretty awesome. PJs all day. Who doesn't need that? That's like Christmas for me. It's PJs all day. Holiday break. Thank you so much. It's a Wonderful Life. A pink heart. Treasuring this. Time to say goodbye to 2019. Can you guys believe it? It's crazy. A cool red pattern tag. Then there's some labels, which are always so useful to have on hand. Celebrating the little things. Fresh start. I love that for the new year. Love this place. Yes or no. Goal achieved. That's a really cool one. Here's a little star that's trying to hide from me. Then there's a few phrases here. There's New Year. There's a little heart. There's a little star. There's a tiny purple heart. An arrow. Another teal label, nice tiny one, a tab, savoring the season, which I love. I think that's a food one. The best part of the day, and then today. So those are your die cuts this month. Okay, moving on to the embellishments, we have the December labels, always handy to have, and I love this pattern on the outside of the label. We have December label stickers. Hey, love the circles and rectangles there. Warm and cozy phrase stickers. These are perfect for winter and Christmas. They have Happy New Year, Ready for Santa, Being Together is my favorite part. So there's lots of different usable sayings on there. These are the goals phrase stickers. These are awesome for your planner. Look at that, all these goal achieved stamps. Remember that one too. This is an awesome one to have. I love that sticker set. Speaking of stickers, let's keep on looking at some stickers. These are the everyday Puffy labels. So they have lots of great usable sayings in red, blue, white, green, and gray. Lots of things here that are just perfect for any kind of page or pocket page that you're going to create. So perfect usable set there. And then, oh, I've been waiting for these to come. So excited. Yellow Puffy alphabet stickers, because yellow is like my favorite, and we haven't had the new Puffy alphabet stickers in this color, so I'm really excited about that. Let's continue on with the embellishments. These are the winter wood veneers, and they are so cute. Look, Burr, that would be a great title. I love the 2 cocoa mugs. Those are my favorite. I think I'm definitely gonna have to use those. And then these are really exciting for those of you who like to kind of do a yearly wrap up in your album. These are going to make it so much easier for you. So these are the best wood veneers, and they have like the best movie, the best food. That one could be the best like bike ride, the best photo, the best cup of coffee or tea if you like that, the best music, the best TV, the best book, the best plant, I guess, and the best place. So lots of really cool things there that you guys can add to your yearly wrap up. Let's move on to the stamps. This is a Wonderful Life stamp, and I'm really excited about it because of this awesome pattern down here. I also love that it has the goal achieved circle. That's the same one that we had over here in the goals phrase stickers, but it's just bigger. So I'm really excited about that, and this really cool seal here. So this is an awesome stamp. Next up, we have so versatile and usable labels stamp. But if you thought that was awesome, there are matching steel craft dies. I've already cut these apart, so they're already, when they come, it's all one sheet of craft dies, but I've already cut them apart here, so you can see them all separated. But there's one for each label, so you can customize your labels with whatever ink color you want to use and cut them out super easily. So I'm really excited about that. Thanks so much for watching me unbox my December 2019 kit and add-ons from LA Studio. Be sure to check out the link in my video notes to shop these supplies while they last in the LA Studio shop, and have so much fun creating with your brand new goodies. Happy holidays, and if you know anybody who would love any of these products, they would make a great Christmas present. Maybe add them to a stocking. Have a great Christmas and happy creating.